how to fix missing GIF option in Instagram comments. So if you're not being able to have the GIF option on Instagram comments, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, now you can simply go for the comments, go for the comment section. And once you're here in the comments, on the right side you will have stickers option on the upper right of your keyboard. Tap on the stickers, and here on the bottom you will have GIF. Tap on GIF, and you can simply search for any GIF. So for example, I'll be choosing sad, and here you will have all of the GIFs, right? So if you are not being able to have this GIF, or if this option is not showing up, or if the option is showing up and if it's not loading or something, then first check your internet connection, and then you need to open up your Play Store, because if you don't have the updated version of Instagram, then you might find some kind of problems. So go for the Play Store or your App Store and search for Instagram, and then if you have an update option, simply tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can open up your Instagram and then go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go for the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and go for settings and privacy. And here you can scroll all the way down and tap on help, and then go for report a problem, and again tap on report a problem, and it will take you to this kind of page where you can include or don't include, and then here it will take you to the report problem page. So from here you can write that I'm not being able to have GIF in my comment sections, and please help me with that. And after entering all of your feedback or your report, you can simply go for send, which is on the upper right, and you can also upload some screenshots of your problem and then send. And once you've sent, now within 24 hours Instagram will fix your problem. So that's it. That's how you can fix missing GIF option in Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.